The opioid epidemic plaguing the rest of the U.S. is not an epidemic in the Valley. Many health and law enforcement agencies are working to keep it that way.
Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez learned they are concerned with a different problem. She joins us in our studio right now. And Valerie, what has her attention and what are they doing to address it?
Over the summer, law enforcement and prevention teams in the Valley came together to form a coalition known as Prevention Awareness Team of Hidalgo County, or PATH. They believe this team could help ward off a crisis. Today marked the start of a two-day conference between them.
So this was a medication.
It may be easy to be desensitized to numbers about the current nationwide opioid crisis.
115 people are dying each day in the United States due to opioid use.
For a police officer who sees a deadly overdose or a nurse who treats someone in the middle of a chaotic withdrawal, these numbers become simply people in pain. A different set of statistics reflect an established problem in the Valley.
2 in every 10 7th to 10th, 12th graders have reported misusing prescription drugs.
Huasteco Police Chief Joel Rivera cites research used by Behavioral Health Solutions of South Texas. They know prescription drug abuse is common for several reasons. One of those reasons is accessibility.
One, you can go across, but two, it's accessible because in the flea markets,
border communities with high uninsured populations can turn to the border or relatives to buy prescription drugs of unknown potency.
So they're needing and looking for that solution for their health needs. And unfortunately with that comes the issues of misusing, sharing, abusing, maybe buying off of somebody.
Adding opioid abuse to the existing system of prescription drug abuse in the Valley could become a fatal mix. As it is, any kind of addiction is manifested in the calls police get.
Organized criminal activity, burglaries, robberies, and things of that nature, prostitution, these are all things that can stem from this type of narcotic activity.
Stopping it before it happens will require education and a collaborative effort by everyone who handles any angle of this problem.
We wanted to start having those conversations together and find that solution together, and instead of working against each other, kind of bridging that gap between community and law enforcement.
The relationships forged here are expected to extend past today.
Police were warned that they, quote, can't arrest their way out of this problem. They plan to share information with social service centers so they can help create awareness to prevent a crisis. 11 drop boxes were placed around Hidalgo County. People can drop off their unused prescription drugs there and get them out of the house. We'll have a list of these locations on our website, krgb.com. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.